Hi stars, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share. Thank you very much. So today we are going to be showing you how to make coconut flavored rice. So watch out, let's go.
So stars, you'll be needing parboiled rice, goat meat, coconut milk, mixed veggies, pepper mix, spices, spring onions, and green pepper. Season your protein with your preferred seasoning and cover and let it cook for a few minutes. In a pan, fry your sausage and your goat meat and set that aside. After blending your pepper and tomatoes, go ahead and fry on very low heat. Once your tomato is ready, pour in your parboiled rice. Add your coconut milk and meat stock. Give that a good mix. Add some seasoning to taste. Cover with a foil and allow to cook on very low heat stars. Once your rice is ready, set it aside and go ahead to fry your mixed veggies in a pan. I added chili pepper and sesame oil for some flavor. Add your fried sausages and goat meat. Our veggie sauce is ready. So we are going to go ahead to pour that into our rice and give that one final stir stars. There you go stars. This rice was so delicious. It had different bursts of flavors. It had a little coconut flavor, also goat meat flavor. In fact, everything. Sorry, you guys can't taste it. Thanks for sticking up to this point. Please do well to share, like, and subscribe if you've not. Thank you. See you guys in the next video. Bye.